How many times have you encountered slow video rendering in Adobe Premiere Pro?
Even if you have a very fast computer.
Adding video effects slows down even more. Slow work often leads to frustration, but also to the inability to process video at real video speed, without delay, which ultimately leads to the fact that you cannot express your creativity in your full creative capacity. Fortunately, this problem can be solved, not by buying an expensive computer, but by using proxies.
In short, proxies are low-resolution video files that can take the place of larger-resolution video files in your timeline. This is important because low-res files render faster in your video editing app, which is especially useful for raw and uncompressed video.
To create proxies, select the desired files, then right-click to select Proxy, then Create Proxies. To activate the proxies, press the plus sign, then select the icon Toggle Proxies, and then drag the icon to the designated position. Toggle Proxies. As you can see, the work has become much faster, which allows you to achieve better results in your video creativity. I wish you much success in your work.